Dogecoin holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. This is the big news of Dogecoin, and today is the last day of the month, so absolutely that is the last news of the June month of Dogecoin, my friends. This is important updates. Keep watching this video, my friends. At this time, the change is occurring. The Dogecoin is negative. The last 1 hour, 1 day change occurring. The Dogecoin is negative. The price of Dogecoin is falls down, completely falls down occurring the Dogecoin. So what should we do in this time to change this become positive, my friends? My friends, don't worry about these changes, my friends. A lot of people confused and a lot of people are worrying about these changes, my friends. Don't lose hope. It's time to wake up, my friends. The changes is negative. I know that now in this time the latest news, the latest update of Dogecoin is negative. Bad update. You can see here that the last 1 hour change is negative 2.94%. And the previous last 1 day change is negative 2.54%. So that means that the price of Dogecoin is falls down. My friends, don't worry. Don't worry. As I told you, my friends, in my previous video, that Dogecoin will continue this pump to the next July month. Whole month, July month, the Dogecoin will continue this pump. So please wait for it, my friends. Don't worry about the Dogecoin future, my friends. I know the future of the Dogecoin is bright and they will give you a good amount of profit. And don't worry about these changes will become positive. Let me show you the price chart. Absolutely, as I told you in my previous video, that if they start jumping, so that's not a temporary jump, my friends. Absolutely, they have to continue this jump for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, and there is a possibility to they continue this jump for 1 month, my friends. To the whole July month, the price is to continue, my friends. Anyways, how do you feel today about Dogecoin? Please also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos. Hope you like this interesting news video, my friends.